Welcome to AB Cardano. AB Cardano is your guide to professional trading by providing free educational trading materials and strategies. Now, let's watch the video.
Question number 43. What is the example of a double 3 flat and zigzag? The answer is, we can see the correction started with a flat, regular type, then had a connection X, then had a zigzag.
Quote number 37. Brett Steenbarger said, "The core problem, however, is the need to fit markets into a style of trading rather than finding ways to trade that fit with market behavior." This means that you cannot fit the market around your strategy. You can only fit your strategy around the market. Thanks for watching, liking, and sharing this video. Subscribe to our channel and press the bell button to get notifications of what's new on our channel, and follow us on social platforms.